Jai Hind children, welcome back in SST module class. I hope you all are doing great. Children, this module is the third module on the chapter The United Nations. So let's start. So today's module is about the special agencies of the United Nations. Children, much of the work of the UN is carried out by special agencies of the UN. They deal with food, health, education, environment, and agriculture. Member countries pay for the work of these agencies. The richer a nation is, the more it pays. So, let us look at the aims and programs of some of these agencies. Some of these agencies are UNICEF, United Nations Children's Fund, UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, WHO, World Health Organization, FAO, Food and Agricultural Organization, ILO, International Labour Organization. UNICEF, United Nations Children's Fund. UNICEF is responsible for the welfare of children all over the world. It conducts programs especially in developing countries to ensure that the food, health and educational needs of children are met. Some of its aims are providing basic education infrastructure to the world, increasing child survival rate in the developing world, gender equality through education for girls, protection of children from violence and abuse, protecting and advocating the rights of children, immunization of infants from different diseases, provision of adequate nutrition and safe drinking water for children. UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. The United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization is a special agency of the United Nations established in 1946 with its headquarters in Paris, France. Its stated purpose is to contribute to peace and security by promoting international collaboration through education, science, and culture in order to further universal respect for justice, the rule of law, and the human rights and fundamental freedoms proclaimed in the UN Charter. UNESCO also works for teacher training and cultural exchange of students and teachers between countries. Thank you, my dear students. We will talk about rest of the agencies in the next module. Till then, happy learning.